Hi everybody, today we're gonna make lemon and fennel chicken. I will serve it with broad bean risotto. If you don't like broad beans, you can use peas, courgettes, tomatoes, anything like that. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Thank you, bye! You will need a head of fennel, 1 white onion, 1 piece of lemon and 3 cloves of garlic. In a hot pan, fry the chicken on each side for about 5 minutes and season it with salt and pepper. Add the onions and the garlic. After the onions and the garlic has been sauteed for a minute, remove everything and transfer it into a tray. In 3 tablespoons of butter, fry the fennel as well on each side. Squeeze in the juice of the lemon and put the lemon into the pan as well. Remove the fennel and deglaze the pan with a glass of white wine, add a bit of water, and if you like you can crumble in a piece of chicken stock. Bring it up to the boil and pour it over the chicken. Place the tray into the oven, which is heated to 150 degrees. Make sure you don't cover the tray with anything, that way you will have a nice and crispy chicken skin. Cook it for about 40 to 50 minutes. For the risotto you will need a head of shallot and a cup of arborio rice. After you saute the shallots, add the rice, fry it for about a further 3 minutes and gradually add vegetable stock to it until the texture is nice and creamy. Don't forget to continuously stir the risotto. Finish the risotto off with a spoon of butter and a handful of grated parmesan. Just before the end, add the broad beans and a tablespoon of chopped basil. Hopefully you will enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.